blast of finger millet. So infection may occur at all stages of plant growth. Young seedling may be blasted or blighted in nursery bed as well as developing young plants in main field. There are three stages in disease development like leaf blast. It is more severe in tailoring phase. The disease is characterized by spindle-shaped spot on leaf with gray center surrounded by reddish-brown margin. Now node blast. The infection on stem caused blackening of nodal region and the node break at the point of infection. All the part above the infected node die. And neck blast. At the flowering stage, the neck just below the ear head is infected and turns sooty black in color and usually breaks at this point. In early neck infection, the entire ear head, uh, becomes chaffy and there is no rain set at all. If grain setting occur, they are silvered and reduced in size. Now this is the infection shown in pictures. Boat shape spindle. Now causal organism इसका है पायरिकुलेरिया ग्रेसी एंड जो डिजीज साइकिल है वो टू पार्ट्स में है जैसा सब में होता है प्राइमरी इन्फेक्शन थ्रू द सीड्स एंड सेकेंडरी इन्फेक्शन थ्रू द कोरेडिया। जैसा हमने अभी तक देखा है कि जितनी फंगस होती है उसमें सब में जो डिजीज़ साइकिल होती है वो सिमिलर है। अब जिसकी जो फेवरेबल कंडीशन है वो है द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ हाई डोजेस ऑफ नाइट्रोजन फर्टिलाइजर एंड लो नाइट टेम्परेचर 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड डे टेम्परेचर जो है वो 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस। द टेम्परेचर विथ high relative humidity around 92 to 95% and rain or the continuous drizzling favor the disease development and the presence of collateral hosts like bajra, wheat, barley and oats also favor the disease development. Now the management of blast of finger millet. The restriction of collateral host and infected plant debris. Treat the seeds with carboxin and thiram uh, at the rate of 2 gram per kg of seeds. Grow resistant variety like Ratnagiri, Padmavati, Gotami and Godavari. Spray with tricyclazole at the rate of 0.0%.